Thanks for joining me for part 2 of the Christmas Obelisk. If you enjoy DIY videos, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks. Here's the basic Christmas obelisk, basically painted red, that Robert made in part 1. So now I'm going to take it to the next step and decorate it. So I'm using here a little terracotta pot as my base. And you won't even see it in the end, so don't worry about the terracotta showing as we work on it. So what I'm doing is just putting in some floral foam in the bottom. Next I'm going to be using the snow blanket from Dollarama. And I'm just going to be tucking it in the bottom. There won't be soil or moss showing in this case because it is for winter. And we do get snow here. I will be putting in the snow blanket as my base. I got this beautiful large ornament from Dollarama, and it was probably the most expensive part of the entire project was the single ornament. Now it was really pretty. I wanted it to be really reflective and a focal point within the obelisk. So I'm just hanging it here by using the string provided, and that's all I did. It was very, very easy. Now I'm just going to be tucking in the snow blanket around. I want it to look very snow-like, so I'm just trying to make it lumpy and bumpy and kind of hanging over the edges a bit. And like I said, in the end, you're not going to see the terracotta at all. Next, we'll be putting in the frosted eucalyptus branches and just the plain branches with the sparkles on it. It's going to be really reflective with the lights and very pretty whether it's day or night. Now I picked up these little lights. They're on a timer from Dollarama, and I'm putting in rechargeable batteries. They're going to probably go the whole season. So I decided to wrap them around, once around the entire obelisk, and then I'll tuck the excess. I'll probably glue it into the snow at the bottom. So I'm just tucking in the snow. The lights are glued in, so I'm not too worried about it. And I'm just going to tuck the snow in around the terracotta base there. And I'm not even going to hot glue it in. By the time I have it all tucked in, it's pretty solid. Now I'm just going to push in the sparkly branches. Now it was actually kind of tough to push it through the snow. I resorted to cutting tiny little holes with the scissors for most of them because it was actually a little tough to puncture the snow, and then push it into the oasis foam. So I'm just going around the entire base. Now I'm just adding the sparkly eucalyptus branches, and I'm just going around and tucking them in, cutting little holes and inserting the little branches all the way around. And next I'm just adding rechargeable batteries to my little lights that I got from Dollarama, and I'm just going to tuck the little battery pack into the bottom of the pot. There's a little gap there, so I'll just tuck it in and no one will see it. And if I need to refresh the batteries, I can easily access it. In the end, all I did was wrap the base with the snow, and what do you think? I love it. And here's how it looks outside, and it looks even better at night when the lights are lit up. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.